What's going on YouTube? Brett Seeley here. Today I'm with my homeboy,
Allie Jean.
and we are going to show you the behind the scenes of a photo shoot. What's the topic today? What are we doing?
I don't know.
You don't have a plan?
Nope.
Come on, don't embarrass me, woman. What are we doing today?
We're doing some fitness stuff in an alley. Gonna show you how to use textures and the colors to show you that you don't have to have a backdrop. You can do it wherever.
Ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, stand right back there. All right, let's keep walking. Move to the trash. A lot of cool textures. Like those textures there. That's good.
That?
Girl, let me on it. We walked behind my studio, and it's an alleyway in Denver. It's got a lot of graffiti, a lot of character. How do you describe this?
Dumpy looking.
What am I talking about? Dumpy looking and back of my It's not dumpy. It's got character. It's got a little dumpiness. At first glance, some of the things that you look may not be the most attractive in terms of aesthetically pleasing. But one of the tricks is to see what you can do to make an average background look like less of a factor. When we're shooting fitness, one of the main things to keep in mind is we're not shooting to showcase all this stuff. You know, when you shoot fitness, the goal is really to showcase the athletes. Who pays you? That's not going to pay you. That's going to pay you, right? At first glance, it may not be the most appealing, but I love texture and I love combining ratchet things with ratchet things. She's gonna punch me so hard. So what we have is we have a model in front of a wall that does not look super aesthetically. It doesn't look new. It looks kind of like it's been run down a little bit. So I love merging two things that are opposite. I also see the sun. The nice thing about the sun is it's gonna hit her face, and then I've got a light in the back to separate her from the background. So let's take a few shots and see what we come up with.
We're gonna be on influencers in the wild.
Good, perfect. Arch the back a little more. Good. Bring that backhand around. There. I need you to be a little bit taller. It looks like you have a mustache. Slide to your left.
I do.
A bigger mustache. Arch that back more. Good, perfect. Bring that right and pull, right hand. Good. Turn the face more to your right. Good. Just like that. So, tell me you got that.
I got it.
There. Good. I'm gonna have you rotate, turn facing your left, turn your face looking out more towards your right. Good. Let's bring this light more towards me, straight on. Right there. Let's try that. Hold it. Chin down a tiny bit. Hold it. Just like that. I want you to bring your left arm. Try to stretch out as much as you can. Good. Jimo, can you raise that light up a tiny bit? And then let's move it in closer towards her, a tiny bit more, and then bring it towards me a touch as well. Right there. Good, that sun's going down fast. Let's have you more this way. The lines are moving. Right there. Jimo, let's move that light back to where you are now. This is why I don't like natural light. Right there. Good. Love that. Bring the face back to me a little bit more. Good, chin up. Right there. Good, taller. Back against the wall. Let's go shoulders against the wall, bring the feet out. Good, arch as much as you can. Feet back in a little more. There. All right, let's move this light more in front. Let me see you. Against that. Slide this way a tiny bit. Right there. Hold it. Drop that foot down a tiny bit more. There. And she's like,
I'm cramping my calf.
chin up. Turn the face more to your left. Bring that light out this way a touch, Shimo. Lean back in as much arch as you can. Good. Bring that light a little bit closer to me, Uncle. And then out this way a touch. Right there. Good. 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 Bend that right arm. Push your hips away from the... Right there, right there, right there. Good. All right, guys, so there you saw the behind the scenes of a behind the studio photo shoot. A good exercise to do to try to increase your skill set when it comes to finding locations to shoot is whenever you're driving or walking around, always look. Try to see what looks interesting. And don't automatically look at something and say, ooh, that's ugly. Because sometimes if you do things in the right way and you have enough light, not you, I'm talking about the garage.
Okay.
You're just in the way. Sometimes something that looks kind of so-so can be an amazing addition. We had a lot of lines. We had lines from the shadows to the sun. Hopefully the challenge will be for you to go out and experiment more. You know, look past the surface.
If you like what you saw, go ahead and leave a comment below, like the video, and if you learned something new, click to subscribe to the videos. He posts something new once or twice a month.
No, woman, a week.
A week.
Once or twice a month.
God damn it.
You don't watch my channel?
Yeah, I do.
She don't start
Once or
snoring.
twice a month.
This fool. Next time I have a much better model, promise.
A more better one?
Much more better. Oh yeah. Oh, this video is sponsored by myself. So we have a coaching group for those of you interested in leveling up your photography skills pertaining to the fitness industry. So if you have any questions or like more info, send me a message on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram link down below. And until the next video, keep shooting. You want me to carry that?
No, I got it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I will.
It's okay. You're old.
Really?
Your
You gonna
knees
say
are
that?
cracking. Couldn't
Don't
squat
be saying that
down.
in front of my peoples on the YouTube channel.
Trying to help you out here.